Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I pre-mix my colors. I get these questions all the time, like, Teacher, how do you pre-mix? Do you layer or pre-mix your Lipsense colors? So as you guys know, I'm a lipstick junkie. I literally have, like, I have so many lipsticks. This is my regular, it's a box full, like, of my regular lipsticks. I don't use them, I don't wear them anymore. I haven't for like 2 years, but I do get lipsticks in my BoxyCharm and my other beauty subscriptions, Allure Beauty Box and stuff. And I also do buy some eventually. I mean, sometimes like these Kylie little minis to do like comparisons with and stuff with Lipsense, just because Lipsense is like my favorite lipstick. So I don't know, but I do like other lipsticks. It usually gets on my teeth or makes my lips very dry and feel unhealthy, and Lipsense actually does the opposite. It makes my lips feel very moisturized and healthy. So yeah, I love it. I don't have a makeup wipe. Dang it. Oh, I'll just use this baby wipe. I don't really recommend using baby wipes, but I have like 80 lipstick shades, by the way. No, I probably have like 100 actually at this point, because of so many limited edition colors in the last 2 years, plus all the discontinued colors. But yeah, I'm super excited to show you guys how to pre-mix some colors. I also want to show you like my favorite Lipsense shades and combos. I think that would be super fun to do a video like that. Drop a comment if you want me to do that, or of course like this video, and that'll give me an indication if you want me to do those things. Those types of videos, I mean. Okay, so you always want to start off with clean dry lips. So these are the things I use to pre-mix. They are, what are they called? It says white extension tool, but I think they're called tattoo rings if you type them in on Amazon, but I will have them linked below in the description for you. So what I typically do is I have a ring, a little cup like this, and I'm going to show you the combo that was actually on Synergence, so the company that makes Lipsense. It was actually on their page this past week, so a couple days ago they added it. I think it was on Friday actually, or Thursday, I don't remember. So it's Crimson and Blackberry. So these two beautiful shades right here, gorgeous. Crimson is a limited edition color, but Blackberry is a permanent color. So, and of course it's a black lipstick. Let me show you what it looks like up close, in case sometimes the bottle doesn't show it, but it's very gorgeous. I'll insert a picture of what Crimson looks like and Blackberry. I'll put Crimson and Blackberry right here so you guys can see what they look like by themselves. And so this is what I do. Okay, let's get this focused. I take the lipstick wand with the product on there, and I just scrape it in like so. And with this color, I don't use a lot of Blackberry because you don't want it to be too dark. You want it to be dark, but you also want the red to shine through. So you don't need a lot of Blackberry at all. And by the way, guys, do you like my hair? Look at how healthy and fluffy and lightweight, shiny, and defined it is. That is the new Synergence hair covering line. I'm super duper in love with it. I have the mascara on the way, so I can't wait to do a review of that, first impressions of that. And of course, I'll do an application as well. Okay, so now we're gonna take Blackberry and just do a little bit like this. And you can always add more, so start with a little bit and you can always add more. And this is what it's looking like. And I'm gonna take these little applicators I got. I have like a ton, I have more. I got them on Amazon, but these I actually think came in the Synergence demo kit. Yeah, that's it. The other ones that I have, I got on Amazon. Okay, so then what I do is I take the wand and I mix like this. you want to make sure sorry, I'm gonna have to look down. You want to make sure that you really mix it well together so it's an even color, and of course an even application. I actually didn't make that much. Should have made a little more. But this is the color. I'll swatch it for you. Just a little swatch. It is a very dark, vampy color with a little bit of red in it, and it's absolutely stunning when you apply it in 3 layers. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to have to make more of this, I think, because I didn't make enough. So of course, when you apply Lipsense, to get the best, longest wear, you want to start with clean, dry lips. So I already did that. Let me zoom in just a wee bit, and I also need to move my mirror closer to me. I'm just making sure it's focused. My hair is like messing it up, I think. Okay, so the way I start is I go from each corner and connect it. And then I just fill in the middle. Like so. The first coat always looks a bit wonky, a bit weird. But it's even, opaque, and perfect, and that is normal. And it does not feel like you're wearing any heavy lipstick at all. It actually feels like your lips. Feels great. Okay, so by the way, isn't this like the cutest little thing? This is by Carryway Bags, and I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway, and I have a coupon code for you guys, which I will have linked in the description below. But she has the absolute cutest stuff, backpacks and little baggies like this. This baggie actually has a whole bunch of little holes in it on the side for you to keep your lipstick in. So Lipsense or whatever lipstick you like. And it's got, I think, like 15, I think, or 16. I'm obsessed because this is literally like heaven. Like, this looks so beautiful to me. So anyways, back on topic. I keep all my colors for that I'm going to use for that day in there too. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is use... Do I have my gold glitter? Yeah, I'm going to use gold glitter gloss. So that's what I used in the video that you guys saw. And what I like to do is put the glossy gloss on first. And then I pat down the gloss like so. And now what I'm going to do is take my gold glitter gloss and just apply that on. So this was actually a dupe for a lipstick color by, I'm not sure who it was by, but it was called Ruby Slipper. And it had like glitter on it, and it was like this gorgeous red, vampy black, like it's a blackish reddish color, like this. Oh man, this combo is giving me life. I'm gonna zoom in for you. But first I'm going to do is pat down the glitter gloss. Just because I personally like it to be like a matte finish. But the cool thing about the glitter gloss is once it's on, it's going to stick to the lips. So, okay, ready? So my automatic like thought is hazelnut as one of the colors to make this, and then we need some type of like a grayish tone. So obviously we know we have Giddy Up, but that's a limited edition color that is no longer available, I don't think. So let's just use what we have. Blackberry maybe? Yeah, if I can find my Blackberry. Even though I just used it. Story of my life, there it goes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take another ring, and I'm not gonna put it on my lips this time. This time I'm just gonna swatch it next to my hand. And so we're gonna start off with hazelnut being a large portion of the shade. I actually made a Giddy Up dupe using, for my skin tone again, using Persimmon, Blackberry, and I believe First Love. Yeah. And so I could actually do that, but I want to kind of limit the amount of colors we use because obviously I'll have to add something else to make it that shade. So now I'm going to use some nude. I don't have a lot of nude though, so I don't know if that's going to work. Dang, we don't have a lot of nude. Alright. I'll just use a little bit of this Blackberry here. Just gonna use a little tiny bit of Blackberry. Okay. I'm gonna take another wand and let's see what happens. Mix the two together. And I used a very little bit of Blackberry. I actually don't know if that was even enough. I want it to get more of a purple undertone, so I might put a little, maybe a little violet volt. Just a little. You want to look at the undertones of the lipstick shade. It's a gray color with a hint of like purplish purple, and it's got a brownish nude, and yeah, so obviously black helps with gray. So this is what it's looking like so far. And I will swatch it next to Bow and Arrow by Kat Von D. Ooh. So a dupe is a color that's similar. It's not going to be 100%, especially because every lipstick formula is different, so the finish is going to look a bit different. But you can see that looks like a dupe to me. So yeah, that's literally how I make my dupes, is I look at the undertone of the shade, I swatch it, and then I usually swatch it next to, and I also do like, oh sorry, that looked weird. I also do like half my lip with the dupe and the other half with the actual color. So I would do like half Bow and Arrow and half the dupe I just made. Yes, give me some hearts if you like it. Not hearts, sorry, this is not a live Facebook video. You can tell I'm used to doing this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. You were able to see how I make my dupes and how I make my colors. I need a new nude. My nude is empty. But the cool thing is I was able to make this shade just using a hint of tiny dot of Violet Volt and Blackberry and Hazelnut. And I was able to make this color. And it's also looks very similar to, it's very similar to Giddy Up. Oh, that's going to be so pretty on the lips. Do you see that? So beautiful. Okay. Anyways. Alright, I'm gonna hop off. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Also, be sure to tune in to my new hair tutorial. Be sure to tune in to my new hair tutorial / Synagent's hair recovery review. And yeah, make sure you watch that video because girl, this hair of mine right here is giving me so much life. I am really in love with this product. I'm shocked how well it works for my curls. Oh, my hair looks so moisturized everywhere. Look at this. Look at that. Do you see? Oh, so beautiful. I love it. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna hop off. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. And be sure to stay tuned for my next video. Bye.